Hello and welcome back again to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to install Instagram feed on your WordPress website. So if you want to add an Instagram feed on your WordPress website, then this video is for you. So without wasting the time, let's just get in the video. What you have to do is to go to your plugins. Let's go to the plugins and add a new plugin. Search for plugin called Smash Balloon. Okay, Smash Balloon, and then click install. As you can see, they have almost 1 million active installations. So click activate. And let's just begin. So launch the setup wizard and connect your account. So if you want, you can just connect with your account now, or you can just skip this. And of course I have business basic, so I will just have to connect my Instagram now. So after that, you have to log into your Instagram, and so it will just redirect you, and you have to allow view profile and access media required. So click allow to allow this plugin to have access to your Instagram. So after that, security confirmation, yes, it is my domain. So after that, the website will just refresh and wait for a few seconds to load. So as you can see, my Instagram is already connected. So click next, and you can just configure all the features you want here. So image optimization, social feed collection, whatever hashtag feeds if you want, but these are the pro features. So if you want, you can just upgrade to pro features, but with the free features you also have the options that you. So as you can see, we have already installed our plugin and connected with our Instagram. So now that we're just going to create an Instagram feed. So from here you can just choose a different feed type. So for example, public, hashtag, tagged post, or social wall. So I'm just going to use like a user timeline. So fetch some posts from my Instagram profile and click next. And I'm just going to choose my Instagram account. So as you can see, now we have our feed. So it was just getting our Instagram feed. So it is totally different from what is on the website, but I just want to show this as a demonstration. So click save changes now. So now you can just copy this code and embed it on your WordPress website. So what I'm just going to do is to go on the home page or whatever you want, or any page that you want to use, and you can embed the code from there. So let's just use the Elementor plugin to edit. So just click skip, and we're just going to find where we can add our plugin. So I think that I'm just going to add this plugin maybe here. Somewhere here. So I'm just going to find a good. Then here you're going to add the shortcode. So click shortcode, and here you will have to add the Instagram feed. So click apply. So if you visit the website in the incognito mode, and as you can see that we have our Instagram embedded on the WordPress website. So you can also embed like one post like you want. So for example, like if you will be just writing a blog and you just want to embed one post in your blog, you can just do that option. So this plugin just gives you more different options just for free. So Alright, so I hope this video was very helpful for you, and if you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe so that you don't miss any other upcoming posts. So let's just meet in the next video, and thanks for watching.